Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5085516 on your Windows 11 computer. Now the first step is to run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command and then paste it over here. Hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, then copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your computer, and after the system restart, you can update your Windows 11. Still not working, you can go to Windows Update, go to pause update. Here you can see pause update option. Click on pause over here. Once it is paused, now you can click on resume updates and then check. Still not working, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Scroll down, somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update, click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted. And then make a right click and then click on restart. Now find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted. Make a right click and then click on restart. Now once this is done, you can go back to Windows Update, and then if you see retry option, you can hit retry and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. Over here you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5085516. Click on search. Now check your Windows version, so type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command, and over here you can check your version. In my case it's version 25H2. Now check your system type, open Windows settings, go to system, scroll down, go to about option, and here you can see system type. For me it's 64-bit operating system. So for me the right update is Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. Now if you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one. For me this is the right one. Click on download and then click on KB5085516 and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, follow the on-screen instruction, and you can install this update manually and then restart your computer and then check. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option. Here you can see recovery option, click on recovery and fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once this is done, you can log into the computer and then check. Still not working, the last step is to use media creation tool. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down, here you can see media creation tool. Download now and then you can run the exe file. Click on it and then click on accept over here. By default Windows 11 will be selected over here. So by default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish over here and let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds, so maybe a minute to close. Once closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. Here you can see ready to install. By default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install, and after the installation log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install these updates successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.